Dear competence, dear colleagues, dear parents, before we come to the announcement of the results of our international youth competition on our website, I would like to direct a few words to you. The competition had to be held again as an online competition this year. The increasing corona numbers and the war in the Ukraine meant that we had to change our plans, as numerous potential competitors were either subject to travel restrictions or were unable to participate due to increased travel costs. Also, the number of participants was not as high as in previous years, but the quality of the performances was nevertheless absolutely comparable. So again, we were able to award numerous prizes and scholarships this year. The results and prizes of the different age groups will appear on our website shortly. On behalf of my professional association, the European Teachers Association in Germany, I would like to congratulate the young talents on their outstanding achievements and thank all participants, including those who may not have won a prize. You all belong of the promising future of our instrument. Furthermore, I would also like to thank our team with Heinz-Jürgen Küpper, Georg Tomanek, Jörg Sommerfeld, Ulrike Hesse und Barbara Dziżowicz, and all the jurors for their competent and committed work. Finally, my deep gratitude is due to Mayor Daniel Zimmermann as the representative of the town, which has been supporting this competition together with us so many years and will host it again in the future. I'm already looking forward to meet the outstanding talents of our instrument, their teachers and their families here in Monheim upon Rhine in 2024 again. Then, hopefully in presence and in more peaceful times. Greetings to you all in the spirit of our instrument and its music. Yours, Alfred Eikhoff.